Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the 404 page and how to create a 404 page that follows both SEO and UX best practices. A 404 page, also known as a 404 error page, is a web page that is displayed when a web browser cannot find the requested page. The 404 error code is one of the most common errors users encounter when browsing the web. There are many reasons why a 404 error might occur, such as the page may have been deleted. The page may have been moved to a new location. The page may have been temporarily unavailable. The page may not exist. A user encountering a 404 error can be frustrating and confusing. A well-designed 404 page can help to improve the user experience by providing helpful information and links to other pages on the website. Here are some of the benefits of having a custom 404 page. Improve user experience. A well-designed 404 page can help to improve the user experience by providing helpful information and links to other pages on the website. This can help to reduce frustration and confusion, and it can also encourage users to explore other pages on the website. Improve SEOs. Search engines can index 404 pages, so having a well-designed 404 page can help to improve your website's SEO. This is because search engines can use the information on your 404 page to understand what content is missing from your website. Branding. A well-designed 404 page can help to reinforce your brand. This is because the 404 page is a chance to showcase your website's design and personality. Here are some tips for creating a custom 404 page. Use clear and concise text. The text on your 404 page should be clear and concise. It should explain to users that the page they are looking for is unavailable. Include a search bar. A search bar can help users find the content they seek. Include links to other pages. Links to other pages on your website can help users explore other content. Personalize the page. You can personalize the page by adding your logo, branding, and other elements. Be creative. Don't be afraid to get creative with your 404 page. You can use humor, images, or even games to make the page more engaging. Keep it short. 404 pages should be short and to the point. Users are already frustrated, so don't make them read a long explanation of what went wrong. Use a friendly tone. The tone of your 404 page should be friendly and helpful. This will help to keep users engaged and make them more likely to stick around. By following these tips, you can create a custom 404 page that is informative and engaging. If you wish to learn more about SEO, subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.